Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. Finally, the wait is over and your IDBI JAM result is out. And now the next process is going to be interview. If you will check at the time of IDBI AM, उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दिया था. 8th of May was the result date. 15th of May was the call letter. And 18th of May से आपके interviews start हो गए थे. So exactly they have given around 8 to 9 days time from the day of result to interview, and from the day of call letter you got only 3 days time. तो कॉल लेटर से तीसरे दिन आपके इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हो गए. सो फ्रॉम टुडे इफ यू आर वेटिंग that I will wait for the call letter, then I will prepare for the examination or collect the document, you are going to be late. So start today. I think like you have already started, but if you have not started yet, start it from today onwards. So how to prepare for your interview, उसके बारे में quick information दे देता हूँ. My detailed batch where you will be able to get each and every information about IDBI as an organization, why you should join IDBI, why private bank, which are very difficult and typical questions to answer during the interview. That all will be available in this particular batch, which is available on the Guidely. You can join the batch, start your preparation. Along with your preparation, you will be able to get 2 mock interview within the batch. Okay, so join the batch. You can connect with me over this Telegram group also. If you have any confusion, not this group, this is my personal Telegram ID. You can connect with me directly if you have any confusion. Question number 1, why IDBI? See, first of all, you should be confident because so many of you are still thinking, is it a public sector bank or a private bank? Because multiple places we read it, Government of India shareholding is more than 90%. It's correct. The shareholding of Government of India along with LIC is more than 95% in this particular organization, but by the definition it's a private organization because majority of the shares holded by LIC in the form of subsidiary, not directly by the Government of India. तो practically बात करें तो ये जो बैंक है आपका, ये अभी एक प्राइवेट बैंक है, पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक नहीं है, but it is far better than the other private sector banks in India in terms of job, you can say that job security or work culture बहुत अच्छा है comparatively other private banks in India. So if you don't have job and you are looking for some job at present, you want to start your career as soon as possible, this is a good option. You should try for this particular interview in best of your capability. But the most difficult questions which you are going to face, where you need to convince the panel member that yes, you are ready to work with this organization, that's too for the long term. अगर वो आपके आंसर में कहीं भी समझ आ गया कि आप सिर्फ IDBI आ रहे हैं for 6 month, 1 year, 2 year type of concept, they will not hire you. वो आपको नहीं लेंगे, confirm है. They want the people, those who are ready to serve for the longer term with the organization. उन्हीं लोगों को लेने के मूड में. So you should be confident while framing your answer. Why you want to join private bank? Because IDBI is a private bank. क्यों join करना चाहते हो? Why IDBI? Shareholding pattern, profitability, recent update about IDBI, recent product of IDBI. तो IDBI का तो पूरा details आपको चाहिए. You should scan the proper website of IDBI in depth, in detail, properly. Then what will you do if you get the chance to join a public sector bank in the upcoming days? Never answer this type of question directly like, sir, I will join, sir, I will switch, or sir, I will not join. Both cases your answer will not be that good. तो आपको थोड़ा diplomatic answer frame करना पड़ेगा, like, sir, currently I am joining IDBI for the longer term. My objective is to grow within the organization. So first of all, after joining IDBI, I don't have any plan to apply for any external examination. Even in that case, if I get selected on some public sector bank position, I will observe at that time, I will see at that time that what is the position offered to me, what is the organization which is offering me that position. Then I will consult with my seniors, with my family member. I will see that on which roles and responsibility I am working currently with the IDBI. Lots of factors are going to be there, sir. That's too in future, based on which I will decide I will be joining it or not. So your answer should not be direct. I hope you got my point. Section, what are the roles and responsibilities of JM? तो AM के roles और responsibilities अलग हैं, JM के अलग हैं. I have already defined in the batch. In the batch, you will be able to see the complete syllabus because I have already done from for AM. So nothing is there which is missing in your batch. आप join करो, 100% preparation material is available right now. Co-branded major offers offered by IDBI, bank assurance pact of IDBI. What you are going to do? This का answer मैंने already आपको दे दिया, that how to perform the answer. If they will be asking you that why you want to join public sector Means what you will do if you get the opportunity from public sector bank after joining IDBI, क्या करोगे? If you get option from SBI PO, if you get option from SBI clerk, for the SBI clerk in future, what you will be do? ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. See, website of IDBI you need to cover properly. Mobile application, what are the features available? Everything I have already done within the batch. तो आपको batch follow करना है. Within the batch, there is a detailed session available on the banking awareness as well. Always remember the topic in the banking awareness which are updated recently. जहां पर आपको देखने के लिए मिलेगा रिसेंट में चेंजेस हुए हैं, लाइक BSBD अकाउंट अपडेट, नॉमिनेशन फैसिलिटी इन द बैंक अकाउंट, वहां पर अपडेट हुए हैं. आफ्टर दैट योर पेमेंट सेटलमेंट, नेफ्ट, आरटीजीएस, यूपीआई. इन द यूपीआई वी हैव यूपीआई सर्कल, यूपीआई लाइट, यूपीआई 1 2 3 पे. ये सारे टॉपिक आपको कवर करने. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट विल बी एनपीए. What is the process of NPA recovery? NPA को कैसे रिकवर किया जाता है? So everything will be there within the batch. Best way to utilize it, NPA topic will be available in the banking awareness section within your batch. उसको complete करो. In the live class you are going to see a lecture how as a bank officer we can recover the NPA. तो live class का concept होगा practical application of the real world. कि real world में आप कैसे apply करोगे banking knowledge को for the support of banking, for the recovery of the loan amount. ठीक है? This is done from my side for this particular session. Wish you all the best for your interview. Batch is already live. Don't waste your attempt. Prepare properly with the support of batch. Go for this interview confidently. All the best.